Monica and welcome to Property Drone. Today we are exploring Balewadi and we are at Twilight by Majestic Landmarks. Let's check it out. Twilight by Majestic Landmarks is based on an approx 1.5 acre land parcel with a standalone building with 4 basement parking plus mezzanine commercial zone plus 21 habitable floors and 15 plus luxurious amenities, that too on the rooftop. With exclusive 3 and 4 BHK homes, you are getting the possession of this project in March 2029. If we talk about the particular amenities, now let me tell you that you are getting swimming pool, board games, double-heighted green zone with a toddler's play area and a virtual game zone and much more. And the USP, this project is a low-density project with open spaces and the connectivity, it is near to the Balewadi metro station. Let me take you on a tour of this beautiful 4 BHK apartment which is of 1608 square feet. At the entrance, you can see that you are getting this digital door lock system for keyless entries. You can see how spacious and welcoming this entrance foyer is. This apartment is designed in a butterfly layout, which means one room is on that side of the apartment and the other rooms are on that side. Come, let's check out the guest bedroom. This is an ideal room for your guests, or you can use it as your kids' bedroom. You can see how spacious this bedroom is. You can accommodate your queen size bed just like this. You have your full length windows, and for your safety, the bottom half is already fixed. Here you have space for your TV unit. You can also use it as your study space. On this side, you have the space for your wardrobe. Let me show you the attached washroom, which is right here. Come, let's check out the living area. Beautifully designed living area. It truly defines luxury. You can set up your living room just like this. An L-shaped sofa can be placed right here. Right on the opposite side, you can place your TV unit just like this. Let's check out the dining area, which is connected to the living area. Here you can accommodate a 6 to 8 seater dining area, which is right next to the kitchen. You can design your own decorative corners just like this. Come, let's check out the attached balcony, which is attached to the living room and the dining area, and you can see how spacious this balcony is. और यहाँ पर आपको मिलता है full length glass doors. For your safety आपको मिलते हैं toughened glass and railings with anti-skid flooring. यहाँ पर आप अपना sit out area बना सकते हैं, आप अपना mini garden बना सकते हैं. You can make your own small reading nook right here. Come, let's check out the kitchen. I can't believe this. इतना spacious kitchen. You can see how beautifully spaced out this zone is. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं आपको मिलता है parallel kitchen platforms. That too, so much of space where you can make your own modular kitchen and kitchen cabinets just like this. This is your dry balcony attached to the kitchen, and this is for your utility and storage purposes. Parallel countertop के साथ आपको मिलता है space where you can place your chimney and hob as well. A dedicated space for your refrigerator as the provisions are already provided. Like this apartment? Then don't forget to give us a call on the given number on screen. Now let's check out the first bedroom. But before that, let me show you that what if you have a common toilet as well as a common seating area. Let's check out the common washroom right here. You can see how thoughtfully this space is designed. You can use it as your home studio, you can use it as your music room and a game zone as well. Let's check out the second bedroom. Here you can see you get so much of space to accommodate your queen size bed, a study corner, a dressing table and your wardrobe as well. And for light and ventilation, you get this full length glass sliding windows, and for your safety, the bottom half is already fixed. Since this is a standalone building with open spaces, you can enjoy your open sky views right from your window. Now let's check out the attached washroom. Here you have a separate shower area and CP sanitary fittings by Kohler, designer dado tiles and anti-skid flooring. Come, let's check out the master bedroom. Look at this. How aesthetically designed this master bedroom is. You can place your queen size or king size bed just like this. Here you have your TV unit. The provisions are already provided. You can use this space as your dressing corner or maybe as your study space. Now let me show you the attached balcony from the room. See this balcony? You can imagine yourself working from home and enjoying the sunset at the same time. You must be thinking, where is the wardrobe section? Come, let me show you that where is your wardrobe. You get your own walk-in wardrobe right here. Walk-in wardrobe is attached to your washroom. Come, let's check it out. You get this spacious bathroom with a separate shower area. You can set up a partition for the dry and wet area, and you get CP sanitary fittings by Kohler with designer dado tiles and anti-skid flooring. I hope you like this thoughtfully designed 4 BHK apartment, so don't forget to call us on the given number or send us an email for more information. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon for the latest videos. This is Manika signing off.